A very warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 5th. Subject Environmental Studies Part 1. Topic Growth and Personality Development Part 2. Let us start our topic Heredity. Students, how tall does one grow? Do anyone know? Yes, we know that our height grows till we are about 18 years old. Think of a people you know who are 18 or older. Of these people, how many are very much taller or shorter than their parents? So, students, our looks, our build, and our physical characteristics are like those of our parent. People of one family show similarity in many ways. Some of our features or traits are like those of our grandparents or our parents' siblings. That is why sometimes people who know them recognize us even if they have never met us before. Being born with a certain features or trait in common with a member of a family is heredity. These are inherited traits. However, even though many of our traits are like those of our family members, no one has any control over which trait we will inherit and which we will not. Let us read and reflect. An industrialist had worked hard to expand his business. He had three assistants. He conducted an experiment to decide whom to make the head of his factory after he retired. He gave 5 lakh rupees to each of them and told them to do whatever they thought best with the money. After a year, he called them and asked them to report how they had used the money. Students, let us understand how this three assistant has used money in their own way. The first assistant, I have kept the money safe. It cannot fall into anyone's hand. I can bring it back to you whenever you say. Yes, students. Second assistant, this year I doubled the amount of the yearly bonus we give our workers. I also gave them all a feast. All the workers are very happy. I think I used the money really well. Yeah, but the third assistant, with part of the money you gave, I bought a better machine. So, we made a profit of 25 lakhs in just about 8 months. So I used 10 lakhs to build a canteen that the workers needed. I have put 5 lakhs in the workers' welfare fund and I think I shall use the remaining 10 lakhs to buy one more machine. So, students, by seeing all the three conditions, you can easily justify that who has done the best job. Yes, the third assistant has done the best job. Let us go ahead. For better personal development, we inherit the ability to learn many skills. The growing age is a time to recognize this ability and to develop our skills. Developing our skills help us to live an independent, useful and enriching life. Students, the next topic over here is a good diet. You know that our food is necessary for growth. However, in certain circumstances, a growing child does not get the various food constituents in adequate proportions. This leads to malnutrition, affecting the growth of that child. For example, a person does not grow as tall as they would have been. Even such person gets a good diet later on, it has no such use of growth of the body. Let us go ahead and understand the other factors that supports growth and development. Along with the nutritious food, adequate exercise is also necessary for the growth and development. Lack of exercise also affects the growth adversely. One must also be careful to study well, avoid addiction and their other ill effects, develops the hobbies, take part in sports and learn new skills. If we take care of to do all this, it leads to a good development. Whether boy or girl, each person has right to get the opportunity to make progress and enrich their own life. Students, each one has a unique personality. Let us understand this topic. In a class, there must be some children who are good in studies, while others are good at games and sports. Some sings well, and some like to act in plays. Every person is different from all other. Our physical and mental makeup is not the same as that of everyone else. Our personality develops through our interests and efforts, what we like to do and what we practice every day. During the growing years, we also learn to tell what is good and what is bad. A personality can be said to be excellent only when we put good thoughts into the practice. Yes, students, I think let us summarize what we have learned. We have learned that we grow in a height and weight from birth till we reach adulthood. Newborn baby cannot do anything for itself. We learn many skills from our parents, teachers, and others. We see similarity in our people of the same family. Even so, every person is unique. The more the skills we learn, the less we depend on others. We can live an independent, useful, and enriched life with the help of our skills. Always remember, students, we do not learn good values only to write about them in the exams. They must be reflected in our behavior too. That's all for the day, students. Keep learning new things every day. Thank you.